Here I have KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key for a few seconds. Now let's hold down on power off. The following screen should pop up. So if you would like to reboot to safe mode, let's tap OK. Let's wait until the safe mode pops up. Excellent, as you can see the safe mode pops up right here, so it means that now you can use your device without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key, tap restart and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, so now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.